Yeah, year is also not dependent. It is basically month. Because financial year is rotating, right? But the logic will be based on the month.
Months, yes.
What you want in this text, that also depends on year. Next question.
Yeah, Akhilesh, it is regarding
Yes.
to date and year function. Actually, if I want to find some financial year into the from date DDMM YY format, so how can I get that financial year? Like I want to write it in that 2023-24.
Okay. You need to learn the logical functions also for that, which are coming in next section for you. Okay. But briefly, let me explain it. Let's say I'm having a date here. That's current date. And I'm having something like 2nd or let's say 12th of Feb 2023 also. And I'm having 15th December 2020, 22. So these are few dates which I am having, right? These are few dates which I am having. Now, what is the value which you want to write against this value?
That is
this value?
October. It is October 23. So it will fall into the category of 2023-24. FY 2023. 23-24. Yeah.
Like this, right? Correct?
Yes.
This is correct, right?
Yes, yes.
So now, with this, अभी सोचो ये यहाँ पे होगा तो क्या आएगा? What will be the result?
Same. 22-23.
Not same. It is like this. Because it is beyond April, right? उससे पहले का है. So it is previous year. Okay? Now, think of this logic. In case of October, I want to use this and then add one more year to that. But in case of Feb, I don't want to use this. I want to reduce one out of that and then use the current. So there is two logic, right? Equal month. Let me calculate the month out of this date. Okay, let's keep these results on this side so that we can match them later. So I am calculating month from the date. Now my logic is, I will write it in a separate column so that it's easy to understand. I will write if my month is greater than 3, if it is more than March, that's the meaning, right? Yes. If it is more than March, then my result would be year.
Yeah.
So what is 23? Year from this date. Okay?
Okay.
And double quote, hyphen, double quote, and year of this date. Sorry. Double quote is done. Year opening bracket of the same date plus 1. So I am saying if it is greater than 3, if my month number is greater than 3, then take the current year hyphen current year plus 1. So 23-24, right? Everyone agrees to this?
Yeah.
This is my first portion hyphen second portion. Currently I am keeping full year 2023-2024. We can modify it to 2 digits also later.
Wonderful.
But if this is not the case, then what should be done? Then I will copy this range so that I don't need to write the formulas again. Okay. Neelam, I am muting you for some time. Okay. So here, if it is not the case, then I will say take the current year, but deduct 1 because it should be 22 then, not 23. And here I will not add 1. I will keep the current year. Is this clear or not?
Yes, yes.
So we gave one result for the current situation, more than 3. And we gave another result for less than 3 and pressed enter. So this is giving correct results. Now only thing which you want to add is Fy. So type Fy, that is an easier part, double quote, Fy, close the double quote with and symbol. With and symbol. And it can be giving you the result. So now let's change if it is working or not. If it is, let's say, 12th March 24. 12th March 24. It says 23-24 because that will still fall in 23-24. But if it becomes 12th August 2024, then it changes to 24-25. So this is how you will approach this problem.